BobCat in front of my yard. Finally got the BobCat. We are going to be saying goodbye to the stones.
I can feel my body hold against the concrete, but I can't seem to get enough. My mind is fixed on what
Easy as that.
I just let you beat me. Looks can be deceiving.
You got my phone again. Cheeky, aren't ya?
Yes!
Say goodbye to the stones. Oh, such a good job.
This is a no-go. I just can't take it home. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me. So put your hand in mine. Follow me. Let me waste your time. Set up me. Do some stupid shit. Take a seat. Let me waste your time. So we top of top.
This is so cool to watch.
Treat you like you're heaven. Thought that I knew better. Keep falling for your innocence. Acting like you're into.
Getting through this pretty quick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is usually shit to pick up.
Yeah.
It's hard around all the time, but
Yeah.
so far it's not too bad.
Awesome.
If you can pick it up and keep it a level floor underneath without digging
Yeah.
too deep, you know.
Oh, I'm just loving the sand underneath because that's perfect for what I need.
Anything in that.
Yeah.
The whole area must be built up on a sand hill.
It is. It's all sand hills up here to the salt lake. Where's a good place to get loam?
Heinrichs is the best.
Yeah.
Perry.
Yeah, Heinrichs. Yeah, that's probably where I'll go. It's only.
They'll bring it up too.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh, I didn't know that.
I've seen them here delivering.
Oh, right. I might get that done.
I
Yeah.
asked the mate and he said no, it wasn't too bad. I thought Heinrichs charged a bit too, but
Yeah.
no, he said that they brought it up and it was pretty cheap.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
I'll look that up for sure. Oh, well, second load's done. Beautiful sandy base. There's just this little bit to go. Just so happy with the base. It's so cool. It's just shaping up real nice. I'm going to keep a metre there and a metre there, just behind the shed. I'm so happy with this. I'm so glad we could get it done in not 3 weeks' time. It really accelerates the project.
I just can't take it home. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me. So put your hand in mine. Follow me. Let me waste your time. Set up me. Do some stupid shit. Take a seat. Let me waste your time. Set up me.
Can't tell you how excited I am to see it at this stage. It's a real psychological barrier, getting rid of those stones. Really going to start ramping up now. Next weekend, I'll be putting in the shed. I'm hoping that comes. It should. And doing the paving. The weekend after that, trenching and doing the irrigation. The weekend after that will be the topsoil, getting it ready and putting the lawn in, hopefully. So, you know, a couple of weeks away and I'll have a lawn in this beauty. Get your lawn on. Yes!
Up a top.